Tasmad Yogi Bhava Arjuna. This is one of the great advices of Krishna, Sri Krishna to Arjuna in the Bhagavad Gita. That in all circumstances, Arjuna, lean in the direction of being a yogi, enlivening that yoga within you. So in this World Yoga Day, let us recommit to our practice. Let us lean in the direction of yoga. Let us lean in the direction of unity. For this path of yoga truly offers a remarkable solution for the existence of life. For yoga is all about internal tools. If we keep focusing on the external tools, we will not find our way. For predominantly of our life is happening within us. And if we truly want to solve life's problems, we have to apply the internal tools. So on this World Yoga Day, let us recommit to our practice and let our practice be a source of strength, source of clarity, source of compassion, source of healing for ourselves and for the world. And the beauty of yoga is it does not discriminate against anybody, irrespective of sex, gender, caste, creed, nationality. Everyone is welcome to yoga. Everyone is included in path of yoga. And yoga is relevant for every individual on the planet. So on this day, on summer solstice, a day of radiance of the Surya, may the path of yoga help us discover our own radiance and maybe be a light, a source of inspiration for all around, all those who surround us. Thank you. Happy Yoga Day.